welcome to everyone here. Welcome to World Pandesal Day. We are very fortunate to have with us the most popular leader in the Philippines today, Vice President Sara Duterte. Ginawa natin itong World Pandesal Day to honor the uniquely Filipino bread na very humble yet great, like our guests. And also, ma'am, today is also World Food Day by the United Nations, October 16. So it is also our reminder to everyone na there is still a lot of hunger in the Philippines and in the world, ma'am. So it's a reminder. Kaya ginagawa natin ito to honor the bread and also to remember to help solve the problem of hunger. Thank you to everyone and to our special guest, Vice President Sara Duterte, for gracing this civic and cultural activity. Welcome to everyone, ho. Thank you, ho. May mga tanong yung mga ibang media friends natin, ho, ma'am. They would like to ask some questions, ho, to you. Feel free to raise your hand or text me yung mga tao na gusto magtanong. One of the persons who want to ask, tinext sa akin at ng tao dito, ma'am, ano daw ang favorite palaman niya sa pandesal? And do you have any stories from your father or your mother? By the way, ma'am, one of the most humble customers namin dito, yung nanay ninyo bumili dito, ho. Kaya, do you have any stories about pandesal? Anong palaman ninyo paborito, ma'am? Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Sir Wilson Flores. Unahin ko po muna ang aking mga pagpapasalamat. Una, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Magpapasalamat po ako, sir, kasi sobrang saya ko nung natanggap ko yung invitation ni Sir Wilson Flores na dumalo sa World Pandesal Day. Kasi nakikita ko sa social media, no, sa internet, yung mga tao na ini-interview at nagsasalita na ito yung nasa likod nila, Kamuning Bakery Cafe. Tapos lagi kong naisip, parang gusto ko ma-interview dyan na mayroong nakalagay sa likod ko na Kamuning Bakery Cafe. Kaya was really very happy to have received your invitation, and thank you. And happy World Pandesal Day sa inyong lahat. Ang pandesal, paborito ko, hindi siya, ano kayo?